back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul, and I am stoked. Fall themed haul, I would say, for the most part, and I freaking love just about everything. I'm not gonna lie, today was probably the worst day to film because it is that time of the month. I am not feeling well. I have the worst cramps. I feel so bloated. So the try-on portion, I was just not feeling it. Just because of the fact that I wasn't feeling well. So just keep that in mind. If I look completely dead inside, that's why. As always, all of my measurements, my weight, my height, the size I typically wear, all of the good info is always in the description box, as well as links to everything that I've tried on in today's video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first item I picked up is actually what I'm wearing right now. That's how badly, I'm not feeling well. I just didn't even want to get out of it. This was the last item that I tried on, and I just kept it on. But it is this really cute camo, jumpsuit type of situation. It is off the shoulder, so it's so freaking cute. It just gives it a little something, just a little extra zest. The waist has a little bit of elastic as well as a tie here, but the tie is just kind of attached to the elastic. It doesn't actually cinch you in any more or any less. So the elastic here is doing all of the work. It does have two pockets, and the bottoms kind of just remind me of joggers. It is a stretchy material, super comfortable. I got mine in a 2X. Next up, I got a crop top, and it is this black little cropper. It says equality in rainbow colors. So cute. Thought this would be adorable for the fall, just with some sort of a jacket, which you will see a bunch of jackets here in a minute. But honestly, any kind of jacket I feel would go with this. I just love little basic tees like this, and I picked this one up in a 1X. Then I picked up another piece of camo. This is a camo jacket. Oh, let me get it. Camo jacket, it has a hood, it has buttons going up the front, has a drawstring for the hood and a drawstring down at the bottom. The arm sleeves have some elastic here. There are pockets on both sides, which is nice. This is a bit oversized for me. I almost wish I would have sized down, but then again, I feel this would be super cute over just a plain black hoodie or a plain black crew neck, since this is a hoodie. So I don't know, I'm just excited. I don't think I've ever had a camo jacket before, and I don't remember if I said I got it in a 2X. Next up, I picked up a black two-piece set. It is a maxi skirt crop top set. This is the skirt portion. It'll probably be kind of hard to see this, but super stretchy material. It has slits going up both sides, and the slits are exactly on your side. It's not really in the front at all. Super cute, very stretchy like I said, and then the top that goes with it is inside out, but oh well. It's just a plain black, very short little crop top cami. Super cute, but this is definitely short. In the try-on portion, I tried it on with a regular bra. As usual, I tucked in my bra strap, so if you see lumpiness over here on the sides, that's what it's from. But I think it's so cute and super comfortable. I think this would even be cute in the fall time with an oversized jacket thrown over it, and I'm obsessed. I got this in a 2X, and both pieces are very stretchy. Then I got a tan corduroy jacket, and this jacket has easily become my favorite jacket for fall. It's just oversized, but also looks like it's not too oversized. It's just this tan corduroy material, still very lightweight. I got this in a 1X, and I like that it has this belt detailing down at the bottom. I just think it's so cute, even though I would never actually buckle myself into this jacket. I just think it's a cute little added touch. So obsessed, and it is not made of a stretchy material at all. Then I branched way out, and I got a leather skirt. Pleather. There's no way this is real leather, but it has all of these silver zipper details that I just freaking loved. And like I said, I've never had a leather skirt before in my entire life, so I wanted to try one. I got this in a 3X because I am bigger on the bottom, and I don't know, I always like to I'd rather have it to be a little bit too big than be too small, because I can always take it in. And I would say it fit okay. I just think in the waist, it was a teeny bit too big. I feel like it didn't really like cinch me in at all. It was just kind of a little bit more like square shaped. So I don't know, I could probably like take it in a little bit. It wasn't, honestly, it wasn't a huge deal at all. I'm gonna try dressing this up with some different other like pieces, some tops and like what shoes I would wear. And I'm gonna try to style it and see kind of what I can come up with. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go follow me there. I will leave that link in the description box as well. And I'm sure you guys will see a little glimpse into kind of how I style this eventually. Speaking of leather, I got another leather piece. Leather, whatever. It is a leather jacket, and I love a good leather jacket. This one reminds me a lot of that corduroy jacket because it has the belt detailing down here. And I have one other leather jacket, but all of the detailing, like the zippers and buttons are silver, and I pretty much wear nothing but gold jewelry. So I liked that this one had all black detailing on the jacket. Like everything, the zippers, the buttons, like everything is black. So I freaking loved that. I got this, what size? In a 2X, and a wonderful leather jacket. Okay, then I just got another like basic item. This one is just a bodysuit, a black long sleeve bodysuit. The material's a little bit thin, but I mean, I kind of like that because I'm always hot. I got this in a 2X. I feel like it fits great. It is very stretchy, and it has a snap closure in the crotch area. Then I picked up a cardigan, and it's in this really pretty green color. It's a waffle knit material. I picked this up in a 2X, very lightweight, very stretchy, love the length on it. And I kind of like that it has like little slits on either side. You guys will see in the try on portion, but just a basic cardigan, but I freaking love it because of how like lightweight it is. Like I said, I get very, very hot very easily. So I like a good lightweight cardigan. Okay, last item. It wouldn't be a Fashion Nova haul without some jeans or pants of some sort. I picked up some black skinny jeans with just very minimal distressing on my right knee. Like I really had to figure out what side that was. My right knee. I picked these up in a size 18 and they fit perfectly. Sometimes I find it just with pants in general that they're not super tight like I like them around the ankle, just in like my thigh and like knee area, but these are tight all the way down, like the perfect tightness for me. There are belt loops, so I can always pair this with a belt, but yeah, just basic, super stretchy skinny jeans, and I freaking love them. So that was it for this try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check that description box for all of the good information. If you guys have any questions at all about anything, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, reach out via comments or DMs or any social media that I have, and I will always get back to you guys. I love chatting with you guys. So I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.